this, is because it's basketball heavy. You have to throw it down to the ground to bring it back up. So boom, boom, boom.
Oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? It's when you get to the harder way, you're gonna go outside cross.
I'm not going this way.
Back.
I'm not going this way, I'm going this way.
Yes.
And then what the first sequence, come here.
Nope. So you come here,
and go here.
coming around, and then you're going forward and back. Yeah, harder way, boom, harder way, and then forward and back. Yes. Yeah. And then when you go this way and you come back, they're gonna try and compensate, and you're gonna go around cross. You're gonna go around.
Help me! Help me!
Shit is tough, bro. So far, now you had the Kobe, didn't you have the Bruce Lee's?
Yeah.
You had them?
Yeah.
What was your take on the Bruce Lee's when you had them?
They have a thinner zoom unit than the Preludes that came out recently. But the grip's all the same. The cushion on there is pretty much the same. It's just the zoom is thinner.
Response-wise, what did you think when you had it? Because you had the retail. These are the UAs. These are the UAs. Y'all see we in here with the UAs. He had the. My brother, we tired. You know what I'm saying? Look, we tired, bro. You see the sweat?
You working?
You know what I mean? Like, this is real. This is real. You had the retail. I got caught.
What did he say?
Retail grip was responsive. Don't play outside one because you'll eat the grip away immediately.
Okay.
But indoor, they bite. Just a thinner zoom unit. It's not as thick as the ones that recently came out where they have huge zoom units in the front, the toe of the shoe, and the heel of the shoe. That is just thin. It's paper thin.
My, I guess, assessment of this shoe is very close to that. The shoe feels flatter. It feels more like a Kyrie to me. Except Kyrie's have full-length zoom in them, but the shoe itself feels a little bit flatter to like the floor. Like you hug the floor a lot more.
Like a Kyrie low.
Yes.
Kyrie low.
The response time is great though. Like when I make a cut, I'm gone.
Right.
And I can recover fast.
Beating your feet up a lot more.
Yeah, on the forefoot, like I feel it in the arch of my foot.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? When I make a step or if I make a quick step to drive. But other than that, it feels fine. Like it's good support around the ankle and on the Achilles part right here with that shank plate.
Yep.
Or that, not the shank plate's on the bottom, but that plate right there. It feels like I have a lot of support. The shoe is light. It's like really light. The only thing is this like mesh thing on the top, this little bit of mesh. When you bend your foot, like you gotta break the shoe in, because when you bend your foot, you can feel this piece bending. That's how I feel it. On the newer ones, I don't feel that.
No.
This is more like of a rigid material.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's very sturdy. It's just, I don't know what kind of, it's like fly wire or something in here. Is that what those lines are?
Yes.
That's the fly wire?
The fly wire.
The fly wire is good, but it's this, whatever this overlay is, when you bend it like this, that I can feel that on the top of my foot. I don't like that feeling. But other than that though, the shoe is popping. That's the only thing about the shoe that I don't like. We're the cops. Go to the Discord for We're the Cops. Oh, yeah. We got you in the Discord.
Healthy community, man. Healthy.
You feel me? Healthy.
Very healthy. Taking care of the folks.
Healthy. Hold on, real quick. PSA, can I talk my shit? Stop acting like y'all created the performance reviews. It was my idea. I did that first. Everybody else who's doing it is biting. I did the UA performance reviews first. That was me. That was my idea. I'm just letting y'all know. Just for any of those naysayers or anybody out there, y'all know who I'm talking to. But I love y'all though. Keep the spirit alive. We got another performance review to do.